In a significant event for youth empowerment, Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Textile, Pabitra Margarita, distributed appointment letters to newly inducted recruits during the Rozgar Mela at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. Here is a report.
A total of 207 candidates from across the northeastern region received their appointment letters, with 191 joining the Department of Posts, 15 in Railways and 1 at NIT Meghalaya.
Hundreds of successful youth have assembled and they took the appointment letter, and it's really, I'm really proud and so happy to see that each and every candidate, their guardians and people in general also are appreciating the moves taken by the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. It is unprecedented because at a single day, at the same time, more than 51,000 appointment letters are being distributed to the successful candidates, the youths, and moreover, I must say that these youths are so encouraged and empowered today, especially listening to the Honorable Prime Minister who addressed the youth, the successful candidates, as well as their guardian and the people in general.
The Rozgar Mela reflects the government's dedication to providing job opportunities, with over 51,000 letters distributed nationwide across 46 locations. Young achievers from Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura and Assam gathered to celebrate this milestone, showcasing the government focus on the vibrant Northeast. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Mela via video conferencing, reinforcing the promise to ensure no one is left behind in the journey towards developed India. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.